Hello class 8th. Children, this is last video of biology before half-yearly exams. So start concentrating on your studies and send your assignments as soon as possible. Okay. And today in this video I am revising your chapter endocrine system. Okay. Let's start the revision of endocrine system.
In our body, there are two main systems which control, communicate, coordinate and integrate various functions of all the body organs. And these are, first one is your nervous system and second is your endocrine system. Right? And endocrine system consists of various endocrine glands which secrete hormones. There are two types of glands present in our body. One is called endocrine glands and others are called exocrine glands. Endocrine glands, they secrete hormones, while exocrine glands, they secrete enzymes and other useful substances. Endocrine glands are ductless glands, while exocrine glands have ducts. Now, difference between exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands, these glands, they have ducts, right? And they discharge their secretion on the surface of the body, while endocrine glands are ductless glands and they pour their secretion directly into the blood vessels. Next is your examples of exocrine glands: salivary glands, sebaceous glands, gastric glands, even your sweat glands. These are the examples of exocrine glands. While endocrine glands examples are pituitary gland, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pancreas are the examples of endocrine glands. Now, what are hormones? Hormones are the chemical substances or chemical messengers which coordinate the activities of living organisms and also their growth. The first endocrine gland is thyroid gland. Okay. And this thyroid gland is a large endocrine gland which is located or present in the neck. It is attached to the windpipe in our body. This is your windpipe. It is attached to the windpipe in the neck. Thyroid glands secrete a hormone and that hormone is called thyroxine hormone. And this hormone, what is the function of this thyroxine hormone? This hormone controls the rate of body's metabolism. What is the function of thyroxine hormone? It controls the rate of body's metabolism. This thyroid gland needs a proper supply of iodine for its proper functioning, so that it can secrete required amount of thyroxine hormone. And deficiency of thyroxine hormone in the body causes some diseases, and one is what it is called goiter. Goiter is mainly iodine deficiency disease. Due to deficiency of iodine in our body, it causes a disease called goiter, in which what's happened, there is a swelling in the neck. Next endocrine gland is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is attached to the base of the brain and its size is just like a pea. Mattar ka jo dana hota hai na, the same size is of the pituitary gland, right? And the hormone which secreted by pituitary gland is called growth hormone. Actually, pituitary gland secrete a number of hormones, but one of the main hormone is growth hormone, and which regulate the growth of person, right? And this hormone, the deficiency of growth hormone causes dwarfism in children, and over secretion of this hormone leads to zygotism in the young ones, okay, and acromegaly in the adults. Means if this growth hormone is secreted in large quantity during childhood, then it causes a disease called zygotism. And if it secreted in large quantity during in adulthood, then it causes a disease called acromegaly. Dwarfism means the person remains short-heighted, and zygotism means a person get extraordinary height. Pituitary gland is also called master gland. Why? Because many of the hormones which it secretes, they control what? The functioning of other endocrine glands in the body, right? And that is why it is called what? Master gland. Means it control other endocrine glands to secrete their secretion. Next is your adrenal gland. Adrenal glands are two adrenal glands which are located on the top of the two kidneys. So what is the location of adrenal gland? It is located on the top of the two kidneys, right? And this hormone secreted by adrenal gland is adrenaline hormone. And what is the function of adrenaline hormone? It regulates heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, and carbohydrate metabolism. Adrenaline hormone is also known as emergency hormone. Why? Because it is secreted in large amount at the time of emergency, so that it prepare our body for action. This is your pancreas. Pancreas is a gland which is endocrine as well as exocrine, because it secretes enzymes also and hormones also, right? So it secrete the hormone which is secreted by pancreas is insulin. And what is the location of pancreas? Pancreas is situated or located just below the stomach in our body. And the hormone secreted by pancreas is insulin, and another one is your glucagon. They are the two hormones which is secreted by pancreas. Now what is the function of insulin? The function of insulin hormone is to lower the blood sugar level. Actually it controls blood sugar level in our body, and deficiency of insulin hormone in the body causes a disease, what it is called diabetes or sugar, right? And what is the function of glucagon? It stimulates the breakdown of glycogen into glucose in the liver. Actually insulin convert extra glucose in our blood into glycogen, right? And this glycogen is stored in the liver cells, and this glucagon, it convert that glycogen into glucose whenever our body required this glucose. Now so children, just revise your chapters, and the syllabus for your half-yearly exam is from the chapter reproduction in plants, and that is your fertilization, means your 15th home assignment up to 25th home assignment. Okay, so learn these all chapters by heart. Thank you children.